In today's tech landscape, finding a laptop that ticks all the right boxes, performance, design, battery life, and versatility, can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But what if we told you that the search just got easier? Introducing the HP newest 15.6-inch FHD laptop, armed with the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor, 32 GB of RAM, and 1 TB of storage. This machine promises to deliver performance that exceeds expectations, all while staying portable and sleek. Let's dive into the features and see why this laptop could be your next workhorse. Starting with the design, HP has crafted a sleek, modern look that makes this laptop not just a powerhouse, but also a stylish companion. The 15.6-inch Full HD display gives you vibrant colors and sharp details, perfect for video streaming, creative work, and gaming. The slim bezels enhance the viewing experience, giving you more screen and less distraction. The full-sized keyboard provides a comfortable typing experience, and the trackpad is responsive and intuitive. It's not just about power. It's about delivering a comfortable user experience. Under the hood, the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U 6-core processor is the star of the show. This CPU, known for beating the Intel Core i7-1165G7 in benchmark tests, delivers exceptional performance. Whether you're multitasking, rendering videos, or gaming, coupled with 32 GB of RAM, this laptop handles heavy workloads like a breeze. When compared to Intel's i7-1165G7, the Ryzen 5 stands out with its superior multi-core performance, offering faster processing speeds, better energy efficiency, and a more reliable performance in demanding tasks. With 1 TB of storage, this laptop provides ample space for your files, media, and applications, ensuring you never run out of space. But storage is only part of the equation. The HP 15.6-foot FHD laptop comes equipped with essential connectivity options, including an Ethernet port for faster wired internet, an HDMI output for dual-screen setups, and an SD card reader for seamless file transfers. The 15.6-inch Full HD display brings out the best in your visuals. Whether you're watching a movie, editing photos, or working on creative projects, the vibrant colors and sharp details will elevate your experience. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080, you get a crisp and clear viewing experience every time. One of the standout features of this HP laptop is its portability. With up to 12 hours of battery life, it ensures that you can keep working, studying, or playing without constantly searching for a power outlet. Whether you're at a cafe, on a plane, or simply moving between rooms, this laptop stays powered up for your convenience. Preloaded with Windows 11 Pro, the HP newest 15.6-inch laptop offers a streamlined experience with enhanced productivity features, an intuitive interface, and better security. It's an operating system built for the modern user, offering a faster and more efficient way to work and play. This laptop is designed for professionals who need power for demanding tasks, students who want a reliable machine for research and assignments, and gamers looking for a smooth experience on popular titles. Whether you're working on large datasets, editing high-definition videos, or running multiple programs simultaneously, this laptop won't let you down. To sum it all up, the HP newest 15.6-inch FHD laptop is a versatile powerhouse, offering top-tier performance, ample storage, and a sleek design. With the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U at its core, 32 GB RAM, and 1 TB storage, this laptop outperforms competitors. like the Intel i7-1165G7, making it an ideal choice for those seeking efficiency and power in one package. Whether you're a professional, student, or gamer, this laptop is built to exceed your expectations. Thanks for watching our in-depth review of the HP newest 15.6-inch FHD laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and unboxings. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll be sure to answer them. Until next time, stay tech savvy.